बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़्ज़ालिमीन। Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we discuss the skeletal system. First I will read. Think what it would be like if there were no bones in your body. You would not be able to walk, run, sit, stand, play football and cricket or make any movement. All the bones together make up the skeleton. It is present in all animals that have backbones. It is a framework of bones that helps to give strength and support to the body. For example, the backbone called the spine helps you to stand straight. The frame, the shape of your body, protects some very important and soft internal organs. For example, the skull protects the brain, while the rib cage protects the lung and the heart. Move the body. Dear students, if there is no skeleton in your body, you are unable to move. You'll simply just like a jelly. अगर आपकी बॉडी में स्केलेटन ना हो, स्केलेटल मीन्स ढांचा, तो आप मूव नहीं कर सकते. You are unable to walk, run, play or any kind of movement. Now, what is skeleton? Skeleton is made up of simply 206 bones or of different shapes, and the bones help you to move, and it provides you a framework for the body that muscles can connect to and provide movement from. Now, where is skeleton present? It is present in all the animals that have backbones. You know what is backbone? कमर की हड्डी. जिन एनिमल्स की कमर की हड्डी होती है उन सब के अंदर स्केलेटन होता है और उन एनिमल्स को वर्टिब्रेट्स भी कहा जाता है. नाउ वी डिस्कस दैट व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ स्केलेटन, यानी स्केलेटन के क्या क्या काम हैं. First of all, the first function is support. The skeleton keeps the body upright and provides a framework for muscle and tissue attachment. The second is it frames the shape of your body, means the skeleton gives the correct shape to your body. If there is no skeleton, you would just like a mass, just like a jelly, and whatever is your shape today, it is because of the skeleton. The third function of the skeleton is protection. The bones of the skeleton protect the internal organs and reduce the risk of injury. For example, the skull protects the brain. ये जो आपकी खोपड़ी है ये आपके ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करती है. Similarly, the rib cage, पसलियाँ जो हैं, they protect your lungs and your heart. आपके फेफड़ों को और दिल को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. The next function of skeleton is it help you to move. The skeleton allows the movement of the body as a whole and its individual parts. If there is no skeleton, you can't move. It is only possible because of the bones, because of the skeletal system. Here you can see the diagram of skeletal system. Some of the bones are labeled here. The first one is skull, means khopdi. The next is ribs, means पसलियाँ. The third one is the spine और backbone, जिसे कमर की हड्डी कहा जाता है, spine भी बोला जाता है. And the fourth one is femur. This is your thigh bone and this is the largest bone in your body. ये बॉडी की सबसे लंबी बोन होती है. And the smallest bone in your body is stirrup. It is present in your ear. There are 3 bones in the ear: hammer, anvil and stirrup. And stirrup is the smallest bone in the body. What the skeletal system is made of? Now I read. The skeletal system consists of bones and joints. A joint is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. The ligaments join the two bones at the joint and stop it from falling apart. So, your skeleton is made up of bones and joints, यानी हड्डियाँ और जोड़. Now, what is a joint? A joint is a place where the two or more bones meet together, join together. जहाँ दो हड्डियाँ या दो से ज़्यादा हड्डियाँ जुड़ती हैं उस पॉइंट को joint बोला जाता है. And they are joined with the help of a tissue called ligament. Ligament tissue की मदद से दो हड्डियाँ आपस में जुड़ती हैं और फिर वो गिर नहीं सकती, वो सेपरेट नहीं हो सकती because of that tissue. That tissue holds them together. Joints help the bones to move, but not all joints move. For example, the joint between the plates of the skull does not move in adults. Some joints move in all directions, such as the joint in your shoulder and the one in your hip. Such joints are called ball and socket joints. Now we discuss here the different types of joints. We will discuss here only two types of joints. The first type is called ball and socket joint. This joint can move in all directions. You can move that point in all directions. For example, the joint in your shoulder and your hip. You can move your shoulder, you can move your arm in all directions. You can rotate it in all directions. This type of joint which can move in all direction is called ball and socket joint. And not all joints can move. For example, the joints in your skull, जो आपकी खोपड़ी में joints हैं, they are unable to move. Here you can see the diagram of shoulder joint and the hip joint. And these are the examples of ball and socket joint. The next type is hinge joint. Some joints move your bones in one direction only, like the joints in knee and elbow. You cannot move them in the opposite direction. Such joints are called hinge joints. ऐसे joints जिनको सिर्फ एक डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकते हैं उन्हें hinge joints बोला जाता है. For example, the joints in your knee and elbow. आपके घुटने और आपकी कोहनी के जो joint हैं वो hinge joints हैं. Here you can see the diagram of elbow joint. So we discuss here the two types of joints, ball and socket joint, number 1, and number 2 is hinge joints. Thank you, students.